Basic English pronunciation. Sound like a native. Vowels and consonants. Simple, fundamental phonetic practice. Hello, incredible English speakers. Welcome back to the Smart Listening Lab for Day 3 of our 30-day English speaking practice series. I'm Amy, and I'm so excited to be with you again today. First, let's quickly celebrate your amazing progress from Day 2. If you completed your challenge, creating and speaking 5 sentences using the 100 most common words, you've dramatically expanded your active vocabulary. That's a huge win, and it shows your commitment. Give yourself a moment to feel proud of that accomplishment. Remember, every word you speak builds your confidence. Let's keep that momentum going. Why pronunciation matters. Sound like a native. Today, we're diving into a topic that many learners find challenging, but is absolutely crucial for clear, confident communication. Pronunciation. Many people worry they need to sound perfect, but our goal today is simpler and more effective, to help you sound clear and natural, so native speakers understand you easily and you feel more confident speaking. We're not aiming for perfection, but for effective native-like clarity. We'll focus on the fundamental building blocks of spoken English, basic vowel sounds and common consonant sounds. Think of this as training your mouth muscles to produce the sounds that make English flow naturally. Forget complicated phonetic charts for now. We're going to learn by listening and doing. This is how you start to truly sound like a native. Let's get started. English Speaking Practice 1. Mastering Basic Vowel Sounds. This is our first dedicated speaking session today. Vowels are the music of English, and mastering them is key to clear speech. We'll use our powerful shadowing technique. Listen carefully to my pronunciation, focusing on the shape of my mouth and the sound I make, then speak immediately after me. Repeat each sound and word with me. Ready? Let's practice these essential vowel sounds. Speak after me, short A, as in cat. Cat, cat. Apple, apple. Happy, happy. Thank, thank. Short E, as in bed. Bed, bed. Red, red. Get, friend, friend. Short I, as in sit. Sit, sit. Big, big. Live, live. Quick, quick. Short O, as in hot. Short O, as in hot. Hot, hot. Stop, stop. Problem, problem. Watch, watch. Short U, as in cup. Short U, as in cup. Cup, cup. Fun, fun. Run, run. Up, long A, as in name. Up, long A, as in name. Name, name. Make. Day, play. Long E, as in feel. Feel, meet, easy. Long I, as in my. My time, like, drive. Long O, as in go. Go, no. Long U, as in blue. O, as in moon. Blue. New. Food. Moon. Fantastic. You just gave your vocal cords a great workout. Let's try that one more time with even more confidence. Repeat after me. Cat, bed, sit, hot, cup. Excellent. Feeling those sounds? This is how you train your ear and your mouth. English speaking practice 2. Conquering common consonant sounds. Now, let's move on to consonants. These sounds give structure to our words. We'll focus on some of the most common and sometimes tricky ones. Again, listen closely and shadow me. Ready? Let's practice these essential consonant sounds and words. TH, voiced, as in the, this, that, with TH. Unvoiced, as in think, thank. Both. R as in red, right, really, car. L as in light, love, always. Call. SH as in she, show, push, English. CH as in chair, choose, teach, much. J/G as in jump / gentle, jump, job, enjoy, large. V as in very, give, love. Every. W as in we, want away, walk. Great job! You're tackling some of the trickiest sounds in English. Let's try that again, pushing for even clearer sounds. Repeat after me. The, think, red, light, she, chair, jump, very, we, perfect. You are doing amazing work, actively shaping your English voice. Mouth muscle workout, tricky sound combinations. Sometimes it's not just the individual sound, but how sounds combine that makes things difficult. Let's do a quick mouth muscle workout with some common challenging combinations. Listen and shadow carefully. STR, as in street, strong, structure. THR, as in through, three, thrive. SK, as in ask, desk, task. SPL, as in splash, split, display. Fantastic. You are truly training your mouth to be an English-speaking machine. Every sound you produce with intention brings you closer to sounding natural and confident. Motivational wrap-up and your daily challenge. Wow! Day 3 is complete, and you've just taken a massive step towards clearer, more native-like English pronunciation. You've actively worked on shaping sounds with your mouth, and that's incredibly powerful. You are training your mouth and your mind to become fluent and understandable. Never underestimate the importance of this practice. Your mission for today, your daily challenge, is simple but incredibly powerful. Choose 3 to 5 words from today's lesson, e.g., think, live, go, she, street. Say each word out loud 10 times, focusing intensely on the sound and the feeling in your mouth. Then, put each of those words into a simple sentence and say the sentence out loud 5 times. For example, if you choose think, you might say, I think about English every day. Record yourself on your phone if you can, and listen back. How do you sound? This self-feedback is vital. Final challenge for the comments. Use the word beautiful and one consonant sound we practiced, like esh or thu, in one sentence. Describe something beautiful you want to share with the world. You have completed day 3. Tomorrow, get ready. We move to day 4, where we will dive into a core conversation skill. Asking simple questions. You don't want to miss it. Thank yourself for your amazing effort today, and I'll see you in day 4. Bye for now.
Thanks for tuning in. Keep practicing, and for more English lessons, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.